After this module, I'm going to teach you how to pick a niche. And the reason picking on the issue will eventually determine your YouTube career. Here's something that most people don't understand. Picking a YouTube niche is like picking your long-term career. Whatever niche you pick is going to determine how much you're going to be able to earn, how much you're going to need to work, and how much you're going to enjoy yourself. Please don't make the mistake of picking a niche just because of the CPM. If you pick an issue just because of the CPM and don't understand that niche, have any sort of passion towards that niche, then you are most likely going to fail. You have to understand that YouTube is a long-term game, and in order to stay in a long-term game, you must enjoy it to a certain degree. And if you don't enjoy it to a certain degree, it's going to become tedious and annoying very, very quickly. So if you looked at the free course, you see that my advice was to pick something that you've already had somewhat of an interest in. And if you didn't have an interest in that, then you can go up that niche. So for example, if you were interested in calisthenics, calisthenics is the art of building a very good body without using weights. But calisthenics was a niche on YouTube that, let's say, for example, it didn't pay well. You could go up one in the niche. So instead of doing calisthenics, what you could do is you could do the niche of home gyms. You could start a channel around home gyms. At-home gyms didn't pay well. You could move upwards in that niche, and you could move to the broader niche of just workouts, and workouts that are effectively at the gym. If this didn't work, you could move to the broader issue, which is fitness. And in fitness, you've got many different types of fitness. You could do fitness that's centered around stay-at-home mothers, fitness that's centered around entrepreneurs, fitness that's centered around athletes, fitness that's centered around certain sports such as the NBA or NHL or soccer, for example. There are many different ways that you can go about it and still have some connection to something you're already somewhat interested in. The reason I advocate this so much is that any niche I've tried to explore that I didn't have at least a very small amount of interest in was a niche that I always failed in. So when going into a niche, please try to pick something that either relates to perhaps your day job or something that you've already invested a little bit of time into, or something that you would like to invest a bit more time into. Because if you're starting a niche and thinking, I'm just going to do this to make money, you will fail.